How to fix Snapchat sending glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat sending glitch on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just click Snapchat and then go to storage, clear cache and click force stop here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to battery and disable power saving mode, disable it, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.